learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka here on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。Hello,
大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. Again, when you tune into this program and Leo is sitting next to me, you could probably learn another thing about the Hakka culture or even pick up an idiom or proverb in Hakka. 想要这个丰富自己的这个知识吗？就要靠 Leo 了，这样子。
就要学
对对，哎，你真的是非常博学多闻的一位朋友，哎，真的很棒。
你这样我好骄傲哦。
哎呀，好，那今天赶快来教一个谚语好了。
好
，All right, let's teach you a proverb in Hakka.
好，我今天教的谚語叫做有失生意後，
有失生意後，
無事有一條，
無事有一條。So 有失生意後，
吃少一點，少吃一口。
所以有事就是有食物的時候，
對，
然後少一口怎麼說？
上一口就是省一口。
上 means save, 一口 means a mouth, okay? So when you have food, save that food or save a little bit, a bite of that food, okay? 然後呢，後面那句
某時就是沒有的時候。
某時 that means when you don't have food.
就是有一斗就有一斗
一斗这是古人在量东西的一个方式，
一个容量的一个单位。
斗其实蛮多的耶。
对啊，其实蛮多的。
对啊。So when you don't have food, you can actually have enough, maybe a whole container of food. And actually, 斗是这样念对不对？斗 okay, it's actually a unit in volume in the past. So by saving a little bit, a bite, when you have something, you can actually accumulate something when you need it. All right? 也就是说，其实英文我们会说 save for a rainy day， 就是为了下雨天要事先准备这样子。
对，像国语就叫做有备无患。你平常有准备的话，那万一需要的时候就不用紧张了。
Exactly， 而且这里面还有点那种积少成多的感觉。对，本来是一口一口变成一斗了。
对，好大一口。
Exactly. All right, let's hear this explanation in English.
Save a bite when food is available and you'll have some when there is none. This is a Hakka saying that basically means to save for a rainy day. Hakka people value hard work, frugality, and saving. But no matter how hard you work, things don't always go your way. So you should set some money aside in good times so you won't be left with nothing when times are tough.
And now let's have Leo repeat the idiom or proverb. 我们请 Leo 老师再重复念一次。
有失生意後，
有失生意後，
無事有一條，
無事有一條。And there you have it. It's all about talk about Hakka here on ICRT.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.